Let's talk about IAM, AWS's bouncer that decides who gets VIP access to resources. Permissions are like golden tickets, determining who can do what. We have roles, groups, and policies working behind the scenes, ensuring security doesn't turn into chaos. And trust me, a well-configured IAM means fewer security headaches. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Imagine IAM as the guardian of AWS, deciding who gets what level of access. Users have identities, roles offer temporary permissions, and policies outline the rules. Fine-tuning access means fewer "oops, I deleted" production moments, because nobody wants that. IAM policies are like rulebooks, written in JSON. They dictate what can and cannot be done. Attach them to users, roles, or groups, and voila. Managed policies keep things standardized, while inline policies allow customization. Just be careful, because too much freedom can lead to security nightmares. Ever felt like coding security? IAM policies make that happen through JSON. Each policy has statements specifying what's allowed or denied. And remember, deny always wins in IAM's tug of war. So, structuring these rules correctly saves you from unwelcome surprises. Permission boundaries are like setting curfews for your IAM users. Except instead of keeping them from late-night adventures, you're preventing excessive permissions. They define the maximum access a user or role can have, ensuring no one gets too much power. Think of it as a security fence. Users can roam freely within it, but they can't jump over. Combine these with identity-based policies, and you've got a solid security strategy. Managing IAM policies with JSON is like writing a recipe. You need the right ingredients. Actions define what can be done, resources specify where, and conditions add extra rules. If writing JSON feels like deciphering an alien language, don't worry. AWS provides policy generators to help. And before serving your policy, always test it using the IAM Policy Simulator. No one wants a security disaster because of a misplaced bracket. Attaching IAM policies is like handing out backstage passes. Some users get VIP access, while others stay in general admission. Assign policies directly to users for specific needs, but using groups makes life easier when managing multiple users. Roles are great for services that need permissions without human intervention. And remember, don't hand out unlimited access. Follow the principle of least privilege to keep security tight. IAM policies need regular checkups, just like your health. Managed policies keep things consistent, while frequent reviews ensure outdated permissions don't linger. Wildcard permissions are tempting, but they're like leaving your front door wide open. Avoid them. And for an extra layer of security, multi-factor authentication is a must. Because let's be honest, passwords alone are about as secure as a sticky note on your monitor. IAM JSON policies can be tricky. One wrong move and you've got a security nightmare. Overly permissive policies are like giving everyone a master key. Bad idea. Syntax errors. They'll leave you scratching your head for hours. Explicit denies are your safety net. Without them, users might get unintended access. And don't forget policy inheritance. Conflicts can turn your permissions into a tangled mess. Stay vigilant. Troubleshooting IAM issues is like solving a mystery. Except instead of a detective hat, you've got AWS tools. IAM Access Analyzer helps spot permission gaps, while CloudTrail logs reveal who's been trying and failing to access resources. Double-check policy conditions and resource restrictions. Sometimes the culprit is a tiny typo. And before making changes, test policies with the IAM Policy Simulator. No one likes surprises. Security in IAM is like guarding a treasure chest. you need strong defenses. Limit root user access because it's the master key to everything. Logging policy changes ensures you catch any suspicious modifications. Service control policies help enforce restrictions across your organization, keeping things tidy. And for real-time monitoring, AWS Security Hub is your best friend. Stay alert because security threats don't take coffee breaks. And that's a wrap. IAM policies are the backbone of cloud security, so reviewing them regularly is crucial. Implement best practices to keep permissions tight, and don't forget to audit them, because security isn't a one-time thing. Stay updated with AWS changes, because IAM evolves just like technology. Now go forth and secure your cloud like a pro. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.